When a weight is attached to an elastic string, the extension of the string is proportional to the weight. When the weight is 12 newtons, the extension is 5 centimeters. We want to find the weight required to produce an extension of 3.8 centimeters. So we know that 12 newtons is equivalent to 5 centimeters. We want 3.8 centimeters. Start with 1 centimeter. Dividing both sides by 5, 12 divided by 5 newtons is 1 centimeter. Then multiply both sides by 3.8. 3.8 times 12 divided by 5 newtons is equivalent to 3.8 centimeters. Calculating this gives us that 9.12 newtons would produce an extension of 3.8 centimeters. We now want the weight if the extension is 7.2 centimeters. Note here, it doesn't matter which way round we put the ratio. We can write 5 centimeters is 12 newtons, whereas with part A, I started with the 12 newtons on the left and the number of centimeters on the right. Dividing both sides by 5 gives 1 centimeter is equivalent to 12 divided by 5 newtons. We want 7.2 centimeters. 7.2 centimeters is going to be equivalent to 7.2 times 12 divided by 5 newtons. So we get that an extension of 7.2 centimeters can be produced by a weight of 17.28 newtons. Note that this type of question could be on a calculator or non-calculator paper. But if it's on a non-calculator paper, then the numbers will be easier to deal with than those given here.